Hello and welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2013 Nissan Juke. This is a 5-passenger SUV sitting on 17-inch wheels. Bringing us inside the vehicle, we have our key fob with our lock and unlock buttons. And taking a look at our driver door, where you'll find your power mirror and power window adjustments, as well as some extra storage. This car is equipped with two-tone beige cloth interior. And right beside the steering wheel, you'll find your locking differential settings. Taking a look at our steering wheel, you'll find your volume switches as well as your hands-free calling. And on the other side, you'll find your cruise control. Taking a look at the odometer, this car does have 128,293 kilometers. And if you take a look at our audio, you'll find that this car has FM AM, CD player, your iPod connection, and as well as your auxiliary. And right under that, you'll see your climate control settings, as well as some extra storage and some more storage and your cup holders. Taking a look at the back seats, where you'll find your cup holders on each side of your door, that beige cloth interior again. And if you want some more space in the trunk, you just pull this lever and the seats come down just like that. Taking a last look at the Nissan Juke, some of those key interior features included your all-weather mats and your Bluetooth audio. There's still a lot I did not get to cover, so why don't you come down and take it out for a test drive. We're located on the corner of 137 Ave and St. Albert Trail.